Hi guys, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. You are going through the March season. I'm doing the reading for Taurus. Okay, let's check it out what Taurus people are going through. This is a situationship reading. That means it will be either related to career or relationship. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's start. Wow, you have a very scattered energy. You don't know what are you supposed to do, how you want to move forward. That's the thing. Okay, you are just being silent enough right now, just going with the flow. You are just being patient enough. There is a certain amount of guilt related to a situation. Okay, and that guilt haunts you. You are thinking to travel, relocate, or shift somewhere, or move away from a situation. You feel that there is a wish fulfillment which is not happening related to something. Okay, you are tuning into your higher self, like you are focusing on your stability, but at the same time your third eye chakra is having a lot of realizations about life, people around you. You're just being into a defending mode right now. You're going through a lot of maturity you're going through. Okay, and you think that there is a situation which are having a lot of delays into a situation. A lot of receptivity is going through currently. Okay, integration. Wow, you're understanding a lot of facts, figures, and people about you. There's an ending and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Endings and new beginnings are happening right now. Okay, yes, there is certain amount of celebration you are waiting for. Okay, you want certain sort of either reconciliation or a celebration you are waiting for. It can be related to career, it can be related to relationship as well. But you are understanding a lot of facts about yourself, Taurus. You are comparing yourself a lot with others. Okay, like other, or it might be possible that others are comparing you okay, from someone else, and that disappoints you a lot. Okay, so yeah, you are spending very miserly, very carefully. Okay, because you need to focus on your stability as well. Wow, you're going with the flow, you're juggling. At the same time, you have a lot of confusions into your life. You're juggling between two choices, two options, two decisions, two connections. You feel that you need a guidance into a situation, that some elder person should be there, or someone experienced should be there who should guide you, right? That's the thing. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, you have a very impatient energy to reach out to someone. Okay, you just want to take an action towards something or someone. There's a verbal fights or physical fights going outside of you. Okay, and that really disappoints you a lot, actually. Okay, so yeah. Yes, you are juggling between two choices, two options, two decisions, two connections. You are thinking to travel around the world or around the globe. You are thinking to relocate to a new city, new place, new country. Okay, there's a wish fulfillment which you want to happen. It will not happen in the month of March, but it will happen in the month of April or May. Okay, so yeah. Also, you are gaining a lot of clarity related to a situation. It might be related to career, it might be related to a person you are dealing with, it might be related to relationship, any situation you are dealing with. Because this is a situationship reading, it might be related to career or relationship or any part area of your life. Okay, that means your energies are dealing with this currently. You're thinking to travel, relocate, or go overseas, somewhere you are just planning to go travel and relocate. You want an happily ever after. You want a marriage, a long term commitment with someone, a happily ever after. Okay, so Taurus who are single, a marriage commitment or a marriage offer might come your way. Okay, and the people who are not single and married and in a relationship might think to get into the marriage zone or to have a happily ever after with their partner. Okay, you're thinking about a long term stability. You're just healing your heart chakra, your l- your life. Okay, you are confused as fuck, Taurus. You are so much confused, so much confused. You want to action, you actually want to take an action towards moving forward in life, but that energy has been blocked. It has been stuck right now into a situation. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you want a victory into a situation, but that energy has been blocked. It has been stuck. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, you are releasing a lot of juggling. You are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions in the past, but now you are gaining. In the past, you were dealing with a confusion, a lot of confusion, a hell lot of confusion. Okay, but now you are gaining a clarity related to a situation. Okay, you are thinking to move on. You are thinking to leave the past behind and move forward. You are very, very, very fiery energy. You are just a fiery energy. You know what to do. You are very loyal, caring. You know how to move forward. You are a very dominating energy. You know what are you supposed to do, how you want to move forward, and you are into your own part, Taurus. You have a Leo energy currently right now, like you are a lion of your own life, which is very good. Okay, so yeah, that's a good thing, guys. Taurus, you are waiting for someone to come towards you related to a marriage offer, but that energy has been blocked, or you want to move towards a marriage thing, but that energy has been blocked. There is a money stuck, okay, into your financial life or into your life. Okay, you're waiting for money to be recovered, which is taking a lot of time. It will come in within next 7 months. Okay, leave March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Before October, like it will take minimum of 7 months. For you, so that the money will be recovered. The money will be recovered within the next 7 months. Okay, you are releasing all the emotional pain. You are being very practical now, Taurus. Okay, the amount of hard work you do, the amount of output you get, you're not getting that, and that disappoints you a lot, trust me, a lot. Okay, so yeah, you're releasing the third party situation. You're releasing the situation where you feel very blocked. Okay, that's the thing. You're waiting for a new beginning. You're waiting for a new beginning, new life, new opportunities, new situations. Okay, there's a imbalance going. You're trying to balance your finances right now. You are just evaluating the pros and cons, and you are spending very wisely. You are balancing your finances currently, while spending. You are releasing your intuition level a lot. Okay, so yeah. Okay, nice. Wow. Okay, so these are the universal messages I'm popping out. I'm reading up for you. Okay, see this. Okay, so the first universal message is, when I accept the love of the universe as my primary teacher, I will always be guided back to the light. Wow. The second universal message for you, I honor how I want to feel. Wow. The third universal message for you, when I lean on the faith of the universe, peace becomes real. Nice. The fourth one, obstacles are the detours in the right direction. And the fifth one, attack, pain, fear, judgment, and any form of separation are merely calls for help. Wow. Beautiful and deep meanings. I hope you guys like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. And I hope you like this situationship reading. This is a particular situation you are dealing with. It might be related to either career or relationship. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading, guys. Thank you, Taurus. Thanks a lot. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below, did it resonated with you or not? Okay, bye bye. Take care.